Howdy who, all my stock market gamblers. Welcome today. I'm Tall Mike. It's Wednesday, March 17th. What do we got going on? Well, the markets are kind of flat. The Dow's up a little. The Nasdaq's down a little. We're all waiting to hear what Jerome Powell has to say. But I already can tell you what he's going to say. There's no change in monetary policy. And there's no inflation, Jerome. There's no inflation. He'll tell you there's no inflation. Well, Jerome, I think you failed economics. I was an economics major, and let me tell you what inflation is. Inflation is the printing of money, and Jerome, you are printing money like crazy. Like a madman, you're printing money. This is inflation. That's the definition of inflation. The result of inflation is going to be higher prices. Now, a lot of economists right now, they say that there's not going to be higher prices because there is no velocity of the money that they're printing. Really? Well, because of the pandemic, there is decreased velocity of money. Velocity of money means how quickly it changes hands. When they send out a stimulus check, how quick can you spend it? How quick can you get that money to Amazon, to Walmart? How quickly can it turn over? Yes, the pandemic has brought down the velocity of money, and this has kept inflation in check. Inflation is the printing of money. The result is the increase in prices. And it's kept that in check because the money is sitting in a lot of bank accounts around the world. Right? Okay, no problem. That's all fine. But what happens when inflation finally does start to get out of the bottle? It's like toothpaste. You can't get the toothpaste back in the bottle. Once inflation starts, it's hard to stop because it actually perpetuates itself. It's kind of like you're going to run into hyperinflation with all this printing of money. Now, what's hyperinflation? Hyperinflation just means that prices will be going up 20, 30, 40, 50% in 1 year. Now, if you have money sitting in the bank and you see prices going up 40, 50% in the year, what are you going to do with your money? You're going to take it out of the bank and you're going to buy anything, any hard asset you can get your hands on, and this will get the velocity of money moving. Don't let Jerome come out on TV, sit there and tell you there's no inflation today. There is inflation, Jerome. You created it. Now I'm going to tell you how we're going to protect ourselves against it. We're going to protect ourselves against it with the commodity trade that is just getting started. We're just getting started in this commodity trade. Let's take a look at some of them. Now, first of all, if you're not stacking metals, which is gold and silver, then I don't know what you're doing, because inflation's coming. Gold and silver will protect you against inflation. Now, this is one a metal that you probably don't want to be stacking the physical on. It's uranium. It's radioactive. You don't want to stack the physical. But here's what you can do. You can buy the uranium ETF. It's called URA. But look at this chart. This was sitting down here at $10 and it's doubled. It's doubled in the last 5 months. Okay, that's because of the inflation trade, because of the commodity trade. But mark my words, uranium is just getting started. It's just starting. It's not done. This trade's not over. Yes, I'd like to see this pull back down here to the $17 level. We're at $19.79. It's probably a little high, and they'll probably come into the 50-day moving average around $17. Uranium, URA is the ETF ticker symbol. All right, here is a uranium stock. UU, easy to remember, 4 U's, right? U. Anyways, it's called Energy Fuel. Now, Energy Fuel, just back in November, you could have bought this for right around $1. We're at $6.86 today. I'd like to see it pull back. If it gets down to around $5, I'm a buyer, but I'm waiting on it. I think it's getting run a little too quick. Nothing goes straight up, but this does have legs to run because it's a uranium trade. Uranium is not done. It's going to continue higher as long as we continue to print money, and Jerome's going to come out and print more money. They're going to print more stimulus. We got that 1.9 trillion. They're not done. They're already talking about 3 trillion for infrastructure. Where's the money coming from? We don't have the money, so they're going to print the money. That is inflation. These trades will work, but wait for the pullback. Wait for this 686 a little high. Wait for it to get down around $5. But that's uranium. Uranium's a good trade for the commodities. It's a good trade to protect yourself. Here's another one. Okay, I love this one. Southern copper. Copper is at record highs. Look, you can actually stack copper. If you get old pennies before 1980 or so, those are made with real copper. Those pennies are already worth 3 cents. Put them in a jar, start stacking them. Quickest way to triple your money is old pennies. That's right. Soon that penny's going to be worth a dime. Mark my words. Mark my words. If you get those old copper pennies, I think it was before 1980 or something, they're going to be worth money. But look at Southern Copper. Look at the run up here. It's just riding an upward trend and sitting right on its 50-day moving average. Pretty good time to put some money to work. Maybe get some options. I'm looking at the ones all the way out till August. Southern Copper, I like it a lot here. Copper is a commodity trade. Copper is at a record high, but you know what? It's not done. A lot of commodities are at record highs right now. Lumber's at record high. Copper's at record high. You know, gold, it's a little under a record high around 2,100. It's about 1,700. But all of these are going to double their record highs. Why? Why are they going to double their record highs? Because Jerome Powell, the head of the Fed, is going to come out and tell us he's going to print money until there's no more money left to print, until the money in your wallet is worthless. Is worthless. Your money's going to become worthless. These trades, copper's going to become double, triple the price of its record high. Uranium, double and triple where it's at now. These are trades to protect yourself. Gold and silver, double and triple from here. Easy, easy. There's nothing easier with when they print this kind of money. These trades have nowhere to go but up. I'm telling you, Southern Copper, pretty good opportunity right here on the 50-day. Do your research. This is just what I'm doing. I'm a gambler in the stock market. I'm a gambler. I take no responsibility for what you do. I don't know what you're doing. Do your research. This is just what I'm doing. All right, let's move on. Let's take a look at some others here. All right, here's one, platinum. Let's talk about platinum. All right, platinum is trading around $1,200 an ounce. Okay, gold's trading around $1,700 an ounce. Do you know that platinum usually trades more expensive than gold? But platinum's been beat down for years. But look at it starting to take off here. Okay, this is a Impala. IMPUY is the symbol. IMPUY. But it's, it was at $9. Now we're at $18. All right, it's doubled since November. And I bet it doubles again. Now, do I like buying it right here? I would like to see the pullback. Get it down under $16. Then I'm looking to get in. But platinum is a good play. There's a platinum ETF. PPLT. I don't have a chart of that one up here. But the platinum ETF is PPLT. Platinum is a great protection against the printing of money. Look, you have to protect yourself. You can't just leave your money sitting in the bank. What are you getting on your money in the bank? I know you're not getting 1% interest. You're getting something like maybe a quarter. Soon the banks are going to be charging you money to leave your money in their bank. It's getting to be crazy time around here. But protect yourself. Protect yourself with these trades. Protect yourself with uranium. Protect yourself with copper. Protect yourself with platinum. And You have to be stacking gold and silver. Be stacking gold and silver. You will thank me later. You do what you want to do. Maybe you want to leave your money in the bank. Not me, not me. I don't like the banks right now. Banks make me nervous. You want to be in some of these other stocks to protect yourself. I'm Tall Mike. If you like this stuff, thumbs up. Why not? Hey, if you really like it, punch the subscribe button. I'm a stock market gambler. We'll be back to talk again soon. Hope you enjoyed today. Get out there. Have a great Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Bye-bye now.